guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add overlays on CapCut PC and kind of blend it with your video. You can also use this for like text overlays as well. It's pretty much the same thing. So you're just going to select a video and add it to your timeline. Then you're going to add that overlay and make sure it's kind of like longer than the length of your video or the same length. Go to blend mode and choose brighten or screen if like the overlay is like has like a white texture on it or like a white text. But if it's the other way around, you're going to use the darken setting. So you're going to use like this one instead if the overlay is like the background is in white but the like text is in black. So that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!